Hello everyone, this is the continuation of previous video of 8th standard. In previous session we have seen what is cloud computing and the examples of cloud computing, and also we have seen the applications. In this video we are going to see the services that use cloud in different ways. Following are the services that let you create and store files on the cloud. Remember student, cloud is a synonym for internet. First service is Dropbox. The Dropbox allows you to create, store and share files with others. You can also access your files from a mobile device. So there is no restriction of computer or laptop. You can easily access your files from mobile device. Now student, Dropbox is used to share files to a remote area or remote location. Suppose your friend is living in another state or in another city, you can share your file with him using Dropbox. What you have to do is you have to log into Dropbox, you have to put your file in the Dropbox, and then your friend needs to log into the Dropbox and then he can easily download that file. This is the procedure of Dropbox. Now let us see what is Evernote. Evernote allows you to type notes, clip web pages, take photos and organize them in your computer or mobile device. So you can store your data on cloud, that is on Dropbox or on Evernote. Both works in same manner. You can type the notes on Dropbox, you can clip web pages, you can take photos, etc. Students, you can see the image of Dropbox. So this is the website, Dropbox website. It is used to store the things and to share files with others. You can see here. After the video I will give you the link of Dropbox. And here is Evernote. Evernote is also used to share the images and to type the text. I will share the link of this also. Now let us see what is Microsoft OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive also includes Microsoft Office Online. Now Office Online was previously or earlierly it was known as Office Web Apps. It is a suite of free online applications. Online applications you can use such as Excel, PowerPoint, etc. It includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote. Remember student that Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote, these are the products of Microsoft. You can access it through Microsoft's OneDrive, and OneDrive was earlier known as SkyDrive. So two things you have to remember here. Microsoft OneDrive, it was earlier known as SkyDrive, and Microsoft Office Online, it was earlier known as Office Web Apps. You can see here Microsoft Office Online was earlier known as Office Web Apps, and Microsoft OneDrive, it was earlier known as SkyDrive. Now it is a cloud based storage service. Cloud means internet. Now whatever you do you can store on the internet, that is why it is called as cloud storage. It is a cloud storage service that allows you to create, upload and share office documents and other files. So the office documents such as PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets or any Word document you can create on the Office Online and you can upload those files to the Microsoft OneDrive. Now let us see the tech help. Office Online lets you create the Word documents, Excel spreadsheets and more. You need not buy or install the software. There are 4 Office Online apps. They are Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote. Now students, you know these software very well, but let us see in detail. Word is used for creating text documents. Excel is used for working with spreadsheets. PowerPoint for creating presentations, and OneNote for taking and organizing the different notes. Now remember students that OneDrive is a free online 7 GB storage space. So whatever data you have created you can store on OneDrive, but there is a space limit. You can store only up to 7 GB. Okay. Now it can be used as a personal online hard drive. Dear students, in your computer you have hard drive or hard disk. Suppose your hard disk is running out of space. It means your hard disk has no more space. In that scenario, what you will do? You can easily upload your important files on OneDrive. When you create a document with Office Online, you can save it on your OneDrive. You can store many other files too. Means you can store music file, you can store your text document, you can store your paintings, etc. Since Office Online and OneDrive are cloud-based, you can access your files anytime from any device using an internet connection. So here the restriction is only internet. You should have internet connection. Then you can access your file from laptop, from desktop, from anywhere. Okay. Now let us see what is an app. App is a common term used for an application. So app is a common term for application. Okay. This software allows you to do specific tasks. App for desktop and laptops are called desktop application. Examples are word processor, gadget, Windows Media Player, and many more. So let us see these examples. Word processor means Microsoft Word, where you can type the letters, question papers, and many other things. Gadgets means clock and different gadgets such as puzzle. There are many gadgets from the different providers. Windows Media Player, sorry, Windows Media Player is used to listen to music or to watch the videos. These apps run on the operating system after they are installed on the computer system. So in order to use these apps, your computer should have operating system. Now there are some applications that can be run directly in cloud without installing them on the system. Now students, suppose you are using Office, Microsoft Office, then that Office software is already installed on your computer. That is why you can use that. But there are so many applications that can be directly run in internet without we can use them without installing on our system. These apps are called as web apps or cloud apps. So try to understand the difference between desktop applications and web applications. Desktop means, examples I will tell you, the Excel software is desktop because we have to install it, and Microsoft Word and photo editors such as Adobe Photoshop, and there are different applications that we have to install on our computer systems. But web applications, we don't need to install them. We can directly run those applications from internet. Now some examples of such applications include, okay, the web applications include email services, OneDrive from Microsoft that we have seen just now, Google Drive from Google, and Apple's iCloud from Apple. So these are the web applications or cloud applications. Okay, I hope you understood today's session. In case of any query or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you.